What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make $100,000 with CPA affiliate marketing and TikTok ads. Now, a lot of you guys are just stuck; you don't know where to begin, and I want to just go through the best way to get started. So I got some CPA marketing offers pulled up right here because at the end of the day, you're lacking traffic. You're just lacking pure motion at this point. You need to get some traffic running to an offer as soon as possible. The biggest thing with a newbie is just you guys just not getting started and having something set up because you act like the setup is the hardest part, when that's not the hardest part. The hardest part is going to be probably combing through your data and optimizing and stuff like that. And if you know what you're doing, even that's not really hard. When it comes to max bounty, a lot of you guys or any type of CPA network, you simply just be like, all right, what's the best offer? What's the best offer? But as you can see, it's like so many offers. Like, how can you say, oh, what's the best one out of all of these, right? So that's not really a good question to ask. Maybe the question to ask is, what's some hot niches within CPA affiliate marketing? What's the best verticals? Things like that. So you got things like BizOp, downloads, e-commerce products. And you can see within all of these niches, there's a lot of offers. So before you can even get started with making money with TikTok ads, you first need to narrow down your niche, narrow down your offer. And once you do that, then you'll be able to basically get some things going because you'll be able to start your competitive intelligence. So you first need to just pick a niche. So whether it's going to be a biz op per lead, it could be a lead offer, right? Let's see what's got high EPC. That's a UK offer, maybe a US offer, Canada, 40 cent EPC, retire with freedom, 45 cent EPC. So you could even choose something like this. All right, so let's just start with a simple cost per lead offer where somebody's just going to enter their email address or something like that, and then you get paid. So what you can do is you can come within TikTok and go into the creative center. So you have to have a TikTok ads account. So this is going to force you to make a business account, to make your TikTok ad account, because a lot of you guys haven't even created the accounts yet. There's no accounts made or nothing. So get in there, make your TikTok ads account. And so you'll get access to the creative center. And then what you want to do is come to the top ads dashboard. So this is how competitive intelligence is done with TikTok ads. All right, when it comes to the creative center, all you have to do is just hover over a particular video and it'll play automatically. You can edit out the different countries, industries, and all that. But since we got a niche business, I kind of already know that. So, I mean, you could type in business right here, or they give you, so you can just select both of these here. And you can also narrow down by objectives, campaign objectives, how many likes, or the like percentage and stuff like that, how long it lasts. And I like to go last 30 days. Now all I have to do is pretty much just kind of look around, and then boom, you already see some type of affiliate ad right here where it says recruitment, job seeking, work from home
Well,
jobs.
guys, today's the day.
That'll be in your niche. But
Well, guys, today's the day. I can't believe it's actually happening. I didn't think this would actually work, but I checked my balance and boom, 508 bucks. So you know what I did? Went right to the supermarket, get some food, fill up that fridge for the week. I know a lot of people could use a little extra money these days. It's really easy. Just click the link and it's going to tell you how.
So you see that offer, start a career today. So you go back to Max Bounty and you can see start a career today, pay $240 a lead. So boom, you got an ad for that type of offer right there. Now you can actually test it with that offer, or you can test it with other offers. Like it's like 4 different start a career today. So I mean, you will want to try all these out. The game tester full time, and how you can do it is you can have maybe like some type of quiz style landing page to maybe test out each angle and see which angle works out best. That's just an idea for that. But that just goes to show you how simple and easy it is to find creatives and find inspiration, because not only just this ad where you just
I check my balance.
save it to your computer and stuff like that, but what you can do is you can have it like remix where you have a new voiceover, because if you can't tell, these are
I didn't
different
think this
people
would.
doing stuff. So you can put a clip of this, somebody showing some money.
So you know what I did? Went right to the.
You don't have to do this angle of, oh, he going to the grocery store. You can have another angle where somebody is doing something else, like going and sitting poolside, or going and going shopping for clothes, or just something more exciting. Because honestly, this is kind of a boring angle. Like, you know what I did? Go to the supermarket, but like you can probably improve and make that better. Is basically all I'm trying to say. And this is
Use a
just a
little extra. It's
voiceover, so
really
you can,
easy.
as you can see, this is not a man. I don't think that's man hands, but it could be. Oh yeah, those are little man's hands. But anybody could have been holding that phone. Like, you could literally hold your phone and whatever offer you're doing at the end, instead of showing this start a career today offer, you can kind of flash them your landing page that you're already going to set up. Or maybe you can show, let's say if you wanted to do the other offer we were saying, retire with freedom, or get paid working from home, you can flash that offer on the end. Like, that's something simple that you can record, just probably with your iPhone, and make it look good. Or you can borrow my phone, or if you have a camera. But just showing you guys, this is how you get creative inspiration for making ads with TikTok. You want to use what TikTok gives you, which is inspiration, top ads dashboard. So when it comes to making these ads, what you want to basically do is, like, you can just head over to something like Fiverr. And with Fiverr, what you could do is you can just type in TikTok creator. So you can find people to do this for you. And you can see all the TikTok influencers. I will be your TikTok and Reels content creator. Like, these people will make TikToks for you and record it. They'll do voiceovers. Now, this stuff can get a little pricey. Like, I know I got Collapstor up here, but I don't want you guys to run away seeing like 3K and stuff like that. Now, this is more of you, not affiliate stuff, more so maybe your own products, or a very, very high ticket type of products. I mean, it could be worth it. It might be a little investment, but I mean, it can pay out a lot more. Or you can see people as cheap as $75. You could just find somebody to make whatever style TikTok you want to make. All right, so let's just go back into the top ads dashboard and just see if we just type the keyword in, what happens. All right, so I just typed in the keyword, and it looks like more stuff about working from home popped up. So Amazon from home, full-time game tester, getting paid to work from home. Yeah, so it seems on brand with that. I kind of like that game tester angle. Maybe you can even come in here and see if you can find any game tester ads. So you could say game tester. You can just listen.
These are some of the best jobs in the entire world. Number 1, a video game tester. If you like to play video games, then this is the job for you. All you have to do is test out new video games for an average of $20 an hour.
Yep. See, it's an angle right there. So boom, you just found a second angle in ad for this same type of campaign, which is start a career today game tester. So you can go and rip that as well. So that's like within the last 10 minutes or so, we finding 2 ads for TikToks, 2 type of angles. You can get anybody else, like I just showed you with Fiverr. You can get anybody else to make these type of videos for you. You don't have to use your own face. Yeah, and it's really just that simple. All right, so now I'm inside the TikTok's ad manager, and this is pretty much what you're gonna need to do as far as setting up the ads. I know a lot of those ads were like kind of lead gen, website conversion, so you can run any of those. I also like to use traffic, video views. You can test out reach, but those are just the main type of campaigns that I like to test out. So let's just go with conversions for now. It's one of my favorite type of campaigns. And you can just name this start a career 1. And you can declare a category for it, because it is kind of in the employment, start a career, work from home, job type of niche. So you can click that, and you can set a budget of at least $50 a day. You'll just select that and hit continue. Now you can label your ad group or whatever. This is just for example purposes. It's just showing you guys how simple and easy it is to get set up once you got your ads. You'll just select your pixel for this account. Then what you can do is you can select the placement. So you could take off paying or only advertise on TikTok. Now leave this alone. Don't really do automated optimization. I like to optimize my ads on my own. Select English. And here's just more so like pixel data. If you had already been gathering data, you can put your custom audiences and lookalike audiences in here. You can add your interests. So you could do general interests, business and economy, or you can just type in business in here and then select all the business type of all the business interests that they have available. And that's just because we're doing kind of like a work from home business type of offer. And you can see it's very, very broad. So if you want to narrow it down, you can come in here and you can target based on just one at a time per each asset. So you'll just have one asset for business economy. Then you can take that out and you can have another asset for business services. I don't know why it's not popping up. Business services, and then, so on and so forth. But let's just do all of them just for examples. All right. And then what I like about TikTok is you also can optimize by operating system, OS version, device model. So you want to use something called volume. And what volume is going to do is going to allow you to track, create a tracking link that will track all these specific things such as device models, operating systems, connection types, carriers. It'll know all these details for every conversion, so you can see which conversions, as far as is Android or iPhones converting best for you. You can make campaigns specific to only targeting iPhones, and you can make specific campaigns targeting Androids, and the same for connection types and carriers as well. All right, so you can also do day parting here as well. You could do you select your conversion here, like your conversion goal, where you can say, all right, we'll show your ad for people who most likely to click, or you can keep it on conversion. We'll show the ads to people who are most likely to carry out conversions. I like to optimize for clicks, so that is a lot of people clicking over to my offer and going to my landing page. All right, and then you hit next. I might have to create an event for this. All right, the optimization event, it's a click button. So you'll have to set this up. Now I'll probably do another video as far as TikTok pixels and stuff like that, a more advanced video, but I don't want to confuse you guys. But you set up your optimization event inside your pixel manager. And once you have that, hit next. And this is where it brings you to the ad portion. So this is where you will put your ads by uploading it. You can drag and drop it right in there. You can add text to the TikTok, but just depends. If you want to add a call to action or something, you do it there. I like simple, short call to actions. And here's where you'll add your tracking link from volume. You can also do specific call to actions by editing this and then just going to standard. And you can hit learn more. I like to use that one, but there's also one sign up, apply now. Those have shown to convert as well as far as getting the click over to your website. All right, then you'll just check this. And this is just more advanced settings, which you guys don't need to worry too much about right now. But once you got all your your ads set up and everything, this is basically the process of getting the campaign started. You want to get through this process as fast as possible So, I mean, the faster you go through this process, do your research, set up the ads, the faster you're going to get to money with CPA affiliate marketing. But this is pretty much the process. You see, yes, it can be a little boring. It can be a little time consuming. But at the end of the day, this is what pays. It pays going through, and finding offers and finding ads and setting up pages and getting the technicals, because a lot of you guys lack the technicals. A lot of you guys lack the tech savviness of it all. But just going in here and doing it over and over and over again, like I said, it took me 30 ads before I found a successful one with Facebook ads. So apply that same logic. You can go in here and set up 30 campaigns before you see your first winner. But are you really committed to setting up 30 ads before you see your first winner? Are you the type where you give up after just trying something and it's not working out? You just give up. So you got to choose what type of person you is. If you're a type of person where you may need a little more hand holding and you want to work one-on-one, I do have my private coaching available. But that's for people who really want to take this serious, have a budget to run ads and everything like that. We go over multiple traffic sources, and you also get access to my private academy. But if you like this type of video, you want me to make more videos like this in the future, go ahead and hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel for future content. I'm going to be making more videos helping you guys diving deep into CPA affiliate marketing so that you can make money this year for sure with this industry. All right, guys, so that's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.